Hi there, welcome back to Oils with Lynn, where I empower families with the daily natural solutions for mind, heart, and body. Today, I'm excited to share with you something that I whipped up out of pure necessity, and it turned out amazing. Lately, I've been spending a lot of time outside pulling weeds, tending to the garden, riding my bike, hiking, and even playing some pickleball. And let me tell you, my cuticles were not loving all of that action. They were cracked, dry, and honestly kind of painful. I had hangnails and things were just looking a little rough. So I decided to make something nourishing, protective, and completely natural. And after using this cuticle cream for just 1 week, I am blown away about the transformation. No more hangnails, my cuticles are smooth, and my nails, they look healthier than ever. Here are some of the ingredients you'll need to make this rich and soothing cuticle cream. 2 tablespoons shea butter, 1 teaspoon beeswax, 1 tablespoon fractionated coconut oil, 7 drops of lavender essential oil, and 7 drops of myrrh essential oil. Lavender soothes and calms and helps repair skin, while myrrh is amazing for healing dry, cracked skin. In this case, it was my cuticles. Now to make it. In a glass container, I used a glass bowl. You can combine 2 tablespoons shea butter, 1 teaspoon beeswax, and 1 tablespoon fractionated coconut oil. Place your glass container in a saucepan filled with about 1 or 2 inches of simmering water. This is your double boiler. Gently stir until everything is melted and smooth. This only takes a few minutes. Remove from heat and let it rest for just a few minutes before adding the essential oils. Then you'll add 7 drops of lavender and 7 drops of myrrh essential oil, then stir gently to combine. Then you're going to pour it into a small container. You can use a small tin or a glass jar for a container. Then let it harden for 2 or 3 hours, and that's it. That's your DIY cuticle cream. Thick, rich, and packed with healing goodness. It protects, smooths, and it totally transformed my distressed cuticles. If you'd like more natural recipes and ways to use essential oils every day, I've got a free guide to share with you. It's 100 uses for essential oils. It's full of practical tips and inspiration to help you support your health and your home all naturally. Thanks for joining in today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with a friend who could use a little cuticle love.